Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. This truck suddenly decided it prefers the scenic route. A bit dusty, but who's judging? Red lights are just suggestions, right? The white SUV and the laws of physics would like a word. That's one way to park. A perfect landing if you're aiming for the lawn. Apparently, red lights are merely decorative for some. The intersection had to enforce its own rules. I guess this car doesn't belong to them.
Getting started. Judy Justice. Check Judy Justice out in Houston on CW.
That height restriction bar wasn't kidding around. This truck just got an unexpected convertible conversion. Looks like Autopilot wanted to test the car's all-terrain capabilities. The results are in. Not great. That's what you call a rapid response time. The police officer didn't even have to turn on the siren. It's a traffic light, not a suggestion box. Now everyone's stuck in a very expensive puzzle. The driver had a disagreement with the concrete barrier. Unsurprisingly, the barrier won. A classic highway domino effect. When one person brakes too late, everyone gets to join the party. That's a bold lane change strategy. Unfortunately, it didn't account for the other car already being there. The sedan wants to perform a reverse maneuver, but is at the wrong location. A classic case of, I didn't see you there. The intersection just became a lot more interesting.
Oh,
crossing the road like that. This result is still mild. The driver attempted a high-speed pirouette and ended up in the grass. Not a graceful finish. Look at all these cars patiently waiting at the red light. It's a beautiful and rare sight to behold. I don't think drive through the front yard was on the GPS instructions. The homeowners are probably not thrilled. A little nudge sends the red car into a spin. It's the highway's version of a merry-go-round.
Video protected.
The convertible seems uncomfortable with everything it encounters on the road. Greeting each other this way seems a bit expensive.
Oh my God. Someone hit me in the back. What the?
The driver of the black car was just trying to get through the intersection. The other car had other, more destructive plans. The Jeep challenged the red light to a duel and lost spectacularly. It even threw in a celebratory flip at the end. Looks like someone's about to have a very animated discussion about traffic etiquette.
And you know, just the whole thing.
Running a red light is very clear. I will send this video to the police.
And after.
Just a gentle tap in reverse. A friendly reminder to check your mirrors before backing up.
We had dinner and all was going well. And she walked straight.
Hello, my friend.
One second of losing control could lead to a lifetime of regret. You may be right, you may be wrong, but if you lose your temper, both sides lose. Remember, on the road, ego is never worth more than a life. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If this story made you think, feel free to leave a comment or share it with others. Subscribe to the channels for more true stories and the life-changing lessons. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.